Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Soul Train Line. The song is Soul Train Line, the artist is DOE Brown, and the choreography is TERRESSA. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video, and also check out the TERRESSA, her instructional. Also, I would like to personally invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. We are celebrating our 10th year extravaganza. All the details are on our website at www.lmiunola.com. And let's go. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.